Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Lisa, and I'm here with my friend Jake.
Hello, Lisa. Hello, everyone. I'm excited today. We are practicing daily English.
Yes, that's right, Jake. Today we are talking about real daily English conversation practice.
Perfect. I need this because sometimes I know words, but I forget how to speak.
Ha 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 ha. That's very common. Jake, don't worry, we will go step by step.
Good, because I want to speak naturally without stopping all the time.
Exactly, the goal is to speak naturally like a friend talking every day.
So where do we start?
Let's start with greetings. How do you say hello to friends in different situations?
Oh, okay. For example, morning I say, good morning. Right?
Yes, that's formal enough, but casual. You can say, "Hi, how's it going?"
Oh, I like that it sounds friendly.
Yes, and the reply could be, "Pretty good, thanks, and you," or "Not bad."
Not bad. Ha ha ha. I like that one.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, it's casual and natural, not stiff, like, "I am fine, thank you."
Yeah, I used to say that at school all the time. Ha ha ha.
Most students do it, but Real English uses different ways, like "I'm okay" or "all good."
Oh, all good. That's nice short phrase.
Exactly, short phrases make conversations easy and fluent.
Okay, so, hi. How's it going? Pretty good, thanks, and you? I can use that today.
Perfect. Now let's try a short dialogue, like a real morning chat.
I'm ready.
Hi Jake, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just busy today.
Yeah, same here, work, 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 ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Good short friendly chat, easy and natural.
Yes, I like this better than long sentences.
Me too. Now let's talk about small talk everyday conversation.
Small talk that's like chatting about weather or weekend plans, right?
Exactly, safe topics that everyone can talk about easily.
Okay, for example, I can say nice weather today.
Yes, or it's very sunny, isn't it?
Oh, people love weather talk, ha ha ha.
True, it's safe and easy to respond.
So I can ask, do you like sunny days?
Perfect, Jake. That's natural small talk.
Thanks, Lisa. I feel confident already. Ha ha ha.
Good job, and remember, repeating short phrases daily helps your English.
Yes, I practice by repeating out loud, sometimes alone.
Excellent, that's called self-practice. Many learners do it.
Ha 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 ha. Good, I'm not crazy.
Ha ha ha, not at all. You're smart.
Thanks, Lisa. Okay, what's next?
Let's talk about daily routines describing your day.
Oh, like I wake up, brush teeth, make breakfast.
Exactly, you can practice verbs and connectors like and then, after that, finally.
Okay, let me try. I wake up at 8, I drink coffee and scroll my phone for an hour. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, that's real English. Very good, Jake.
Thanks, teacher, but I should exercise instead of phone. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, true but real. Daily English is about real life.
Okay, I like that philosophy. Ha ha ha.
Good, now I'll share mine. I wake up early at 6, I stretch, then make tea.
Tea, not coffee, interesting.
Yes, tea relaxes me. I drink coffee later.
Oh, calm morning, I need that.
Ha ha ha, yes, and I read for 10 minutes before work.
That sounds peaceful, I scroll my phone. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Everyone's different now. Let's talk about weekend routines.
Oh, weekends are my favorite.
Yes, what do you usually do on weekends, Jake?
I sleep late, ha 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 ha, then eat big breakfast, maybe meet friends.
Nice, that's a good mix of relaxing and social time.
And sometimes I watch movies in English for practice.
Perfect. That's a great habit, watching and repeating phrases.
Yes, sometimes I repeat sentences from movies helps my pronunciation.
Excellent, that's called shadowing.
Shadowing, okay, I'll try it.
Yes, mimic the voice, tone, rhythm exactly.
Ha ha ha. Maybe I'll sound like movie actor someday.
Ha ha ha. Yes, and it improves fluency too.
Okay, now let's talk about polite phrases.
Good idea when someone says thank you.
I say you're welcome.
Perfect. You can also say no problem or anytime.
Oh, I say, no worries. Is that okay?
Yes, very natural in casual conversation.
Nice, I like that.
Also, excuse me when you need attention.
Like, excuse me, where is the restroom? Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Yes, very polite.
And sorry when you make mistake.
Exactly.
Okay, next, what about ending a conversation?
Simple phrases. It was nice talking to you, or have a great day.
Oh, I hear that in movies.
Yes, very natural and warm.
Okay, I'll use that next time I meet someone new.
Perfect, you'll sound friendly and polite.
Thanks, Lisa. I feel like my English is improving.
You are Jake. Remember, daily practice, even 10 minutes counts.
Yes, daily English practice our topic. Ha ha ha.
Exactly, you're already living the lesson.
Ha ha ha. True.
So, Jake, we talked about daily routines. Now let's move to weekends.
Yes, weekends are my favorite time to relax and do fun things.
That's great. What do you usually do on Saturday and Sunday?
Ha 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 ha. I usually sleep late then, have a big breakfast, and maybe meet friends.
Nice, that sounds fun and good practice to talk about your activities in English.
True, sometimes I go shopping or watch movies in English.
Perfect, that helps improve vocabulary and pronunciation.
Yes, and I try to repeat sentences from the movies to sound more natural.
Excellent, that's shadowing technique, very effective.
Shadowing, yes, I do that sometimes with short clips.
Very good, Jake, you're already practicing naturally.
Ha 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 ha. Thanks, Lisa. It's fun.
So let's do a short weekend conversation practice.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi. Jake, what did you do last weekend?
I slept late, watched a comedy, and met my friend at the park.
That sounds nice. What comedy did you watch?
A funny movie about a dog that talks.
Ha 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 ha. That's hilarious. What did you like the most?
Ha ha ha, the dog was very silly and made everyone laugh.
Good observation now. How was the park?
The park was peaceful. I walked under the trees and read a little.
Excellent, you used past tense correctly.
Ha 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 ha, yes. I remembered your tips from last week.
Perfect. Now what about cooking or eating something special?
Oh yes, I tried making pancakes for breakfast.
Nice, what toppings did you use?
Blueberries and honey, very tasty.
Yum. I like that combination.
Ha 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 ha. Thank you, Lisa. It was fun to cook.
Cooking is also a great topic to practice English at home.
True, and describing each step helps vocabulary.
Yes, verbs like mix, pour, stir, bake are important.
Oh, I will remember that next time I cook.
Good. Now let's talk about hobbies. Do you have hobbies, Jake?
Ha 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 ha, many. But mostly I read books and sometimes draw.
Excellent, you can use English to describe your hobbies.
Yes, I say I like reading adventure books or I enjoy drawing in my free time.
Perfect small phrases sound natural and fluent.
And I sometimes talk about my hobbies to friends in English, too.
Very good practice. Remember to speak even a few sentences daily.
Okay, now let's practice talking about the weather.
Yes, weather is easy and common topic.
For example, it's sunny today or it's very cold outside.
Perfect. You can also say it looks like it will rain or it's a bit windy today.
Oh yes, I can ask, do you like windy days?
Exactly, very natural small talk question.
Ha 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 ha. I like asking that to new friends.
Good now, Jake. What about shopping conversations?
Oh, I can say, how much is this? Or do you have it in a different color?
Excellent, yes, and also can I try it on if it's clothes?
Ah, yes, very useful phrases.
And polite expressions. Excuse me, thank you, sorry.
Yes, I use them all the time. Ha ha ha.
Perfect, now let's talk about making plans.
Okay, like saying, do you want to meet for coffee?
Exactly, or let's go to the park tomorrow.
Or, can we meet in the afternoon?
Very good, Jake, that's polite and friendly.
And I can reply, sure, that sounds good, or I'm free in the afternoon.
Perfect, very natural English.
Okay, now, Lisa, what about practicing pronunciation at home?
You can read short texts out loud slowly and repeat difficult words.
Ha ha ha. I do that sometimes with movie lines.
Excellent, that's called imitation, very helpful for accent.
Oh, I mimic the actors exactly.
Colon, ha 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 ha. Yes, and it trains your ears too.
Right, Lisa. Now what about talking about feelings?
Colon, good question, Jake. Simple phrases like, I feel happy, I feel tired.
Or, I feel excited about the weekend.
Exactly, and you can expand, I feel excited because I am meeting my friend.
Ah, yes, connecting sentences naturally.
Very good, Jake. Small sentences first, then combine.
Ha ha ha, like Lego building blocks.
Yes, that's a fun way to remember it.
Okay, now talking about daily English with co-workers.
Write short phrases, good morning, how was your evening, see you later.
Or, have a good day, or let's have lunch together.
Perfect, those are very natural office phrases.
And polite expressions. Thank you for your help. Or, excuse me, can I ask something?
Yes, very good, Jake. Polite and natural English.
Okay, now Emily. I mean Lisa, ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha, yes, I am here. Jake,
Sorry, Lisa. Sometimes I mix names, ha ha ha.
ha ha ha, no problem. Jake, everyone does it.
Ha ha ha, thank you now. What about talking on the phone?
Colon, simple phrases. Hello, this is Jake. Can I speak to Lisa? I'm calling about tomorrow.
Ah, yes, very useful. I can practice phone English too.
And polite expressions. Could you repeat that, please? Or can I call you later?
Very good, polite, and natural.
Okay, Jake, next topic, travel.
Travel. Oh, I like that.
You can describe, I am going to the city. I will visit my friend. I need a taxi.
Or where is the bus station?
Excellent, very practical phrases.
And how much is the ticket? Or can I have a map?
Perfect, you're learning all essential daily phrases.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, Lisa. This is so helpful.
You're doing amazing, Jake. Just remember to practice every day.
Yes, daily English practice makes me feel confident.
Exactly, and the more you talk, the faster you improve.
Ha 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 ha. That's why I love these podcasts.
Colon, me too. Let's continue in part 3 with review and more phrases. Now let's review everything we practiced today.
Yes, Lisa. I remember greetings, daily routines, small talk, and weekend activities.
Excellent. Now let's do a short recap conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
Colon, hi. Jake, how are you today?
Pretty good, thanks, and you?
Not bad, just busy with work.
Good, short, and natural conversation.
Now talk about your weekend.
I slept late, watched a comedy movie, and met my friend at the park.
Perfect past tense used correctly and clear.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, Lisa. I remember your tips.
Good now about hobbies.
I enjoy reading adventure books and sometimes drawing.
Excellent, and weekend routines.
I wake up late, have breakfast, then sometimes go shopping or meet friends.
Very natural small talk phrases.
Yes. Do you like sunny days? It looks like it will rain. It's windy today.
Colon, perfect, Jake. That's casual everyday conversation.
Okay, and shopping phrases.
How much is this? Can I try it on? Do you have it in a different color?
Yes, polite expressions. Excuse me. Thank you. Sorry.
Very good, and making plans.
Do you want to meet for coffee? Let's go to the park tomorrow. I'm free in the afternoon.
Excellent, polite and natural.
Okay, now, about pronunciation.
Colon, read short texts aloud, repeat difficult words and shadow movies or audio.
Ha 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 ha. I mimic actors, yes, it helps.
Very good now, feelings.
I feel happy, tired, excited about the weekend.
Colon, perfect connects sentences like, I feel excited because I am meeting my friend.
Yes, small sentences first, then combine.
Next, office English.
Good morning. How was your evening? See you later. Have a good day.
Perfect polite phrases.
Talking on the phone. Hello, this is Jake. Can I speak to Lisa? I'm calling about tomorrow. Could you repeat that, please?
Excellent, Jake. You're covering all daily English.
And travel phrases. I am going to the city. I will visit my friend. Where is the bus station? How much is the ticket? Can I have a map?
Perfect, very practical phrases.
Ha 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 ha. Thanks, Lisa. I feel confident now.
That's great, Jake, and listeners remember repeating these phrases daily will improve your speaking.
Yes, even just 10 minutes a day helps a lot.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
True. If I make mistake, I just correct myself.
Very good, that's the right attitude.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, Lisa, you make learning fun.
That's my goal, Jake, to make daily English practice easy and enjoyable.
Yes, I love these conversations and funny moments. Ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha. Yes, and small jokes and laughter make learning natural.
Okay. Now let's do some useful phrases one more time.
Colon. When meeting someone, hi, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks, and you?
Asking about weekend. What did you do last weekend? I watched a movie and visited friends.
Talking about hobbies. I like reading adventure books. I enjoy drawing in my free time.
Talking about weather. It's sunny today. Do you like windy days?
Shopping phrases. How much is this? Can I try it on? Do you have it in a different color?
Polite expressions. Excuse me? Thank you. Sorry.
Making plans. Do you want to meet for coffee? I'm free in the afternoon.
Talking about feelings. I feel happy. I feel excited because I am meeting my friend.
Office English. Good morning. See you later. Have a good day.
Phone English. Hello, this is Jake. Could you repeat that, please?
Travel phrases. Where is the bus station? How much is the ticket? Can I have a map?
And pronunciation practice shadow movies or repeat audio.
Excellent recap, Jake. You did very well.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, Lisa. I feel like a real English speaker now.
You're improving every day, and listeners remember practice is key.
Yes, daily English practice, even short sentences every day makes a big difference.
So now it's time to say goodbye.
Okay, Lisa. Thank you everyone for listening.
Colon. Yes, thank you, listeners. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
And we hope you learned useful daily English phrases to speak naturally.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Everyday English Talk.
Give a like if you enjoyed this episode and share it with your friends.
And please leave a comment, tell us what you did last weekend or your plans for next weekend.
Yes, we love reading your answers in English.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you again for joining us.
See you next time. Keep practicing and speaking English every day.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.